think one of like the mental shifts for me was just, and now being on the other side as somebody working that gets reached out to, like, it does not feel like a huge burden to talk to a student, especially the younger that they're reaching out, like as a
They're
junior,
freshmen.
it's like, okay, what's the angle here? But as a sophomore or a freshman, it's like, oh, here's someone who just wants to talk, hear what I'm up to. If I have time, then I try to make that, especially as somebody who's gone through this experience. And so, yeah, I think just understanding that these conversations can be helpful and productive and not feel super transactional was like a huge shift for me. But yeah, I'd say the hit rate was pretty good. I tried to craft thoughtful emails so that like the top of the funnel wouldn't get narrowed super quickly, and just kind of vary them a little bit based on the context. But
So what do you think your hit rate was? It can be rough range. So like out of let's say it was 500, was it like 50 people responded, 100?
Yeah, I mean, just because a lot of this was like my college or like family,
It was
or
almost 20%. You think that high? 30%?
I would say higher than that.
Wow. Pretty good.
Wheaton's a pretty tight network, and
That
like
I understand. Yeah, that could be like 70, 80%, right?
totally, yeah, and like just thinking through the fact that I would re-email the people who didn't respond the first time and collect some, oh, so sorry, I missed your first note responses.
Yep.
Yeah, I don't think 80% is an unreasonable
Wow.